In the ever-evolving world of kitchen gadgets, having a multi-purpose tool that can handle a variety of tasks is a game changer. This Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly device that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. Designed to meet the needs of both novice cooks and seasoned chefs, this immersion blender is equipped with a robust 800 watts motor, 12 speed settings, and a range of accessories that make it an essential addition to any kitchen. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender in this comprehensive review. This Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is not just another kitchen gadget. It's a versatile tool designed to make your cooking tasks easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing baby food, whisking eggs, or frothing milk, this handheld blender offers the power and precision you need to achieve professional results. The sleek design, powerful motor, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. One of the key features that set the Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender apart from its competitors is its powerful 800 watts motor. This motor is significantly more powerful than those found in most traditional hand blenders, allowing you to tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending a thick soup, chopping vegetables, or making a smoothie with frozen fruits, the Keylitos blender ensures smooth, consistent results every time. The blender's 12-speed settings give you the flexibility to adjust the speed according to the task at hand. Whether you need a gentle blend or a high-speed puree, this blender has you covered. The Turbo Boost function provides an extra burst of power when dealing with particularly tough ingredients, ensuring that nothing is left unblended. The Keylitos blender is equipped with 304 stainless steel cross blades that are both durable and efficient. These blades are designed to easily handle hard foods like nuts, ice, and root vegetables, making it an ideal tool for a wide range of recipes. The stainless steel construction also ensures that the blades remain sharp and rust-free, even after prolonged use. The versatility of the Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender is one of its most appealing features. With 5 different attachments, this blender is designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks, reducing the need for multiple appliances. The primary blender attachment is perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and purees. The ergonomic design of the handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to blend for extended periods without fatigue. The 500-milliliter chopper attachment is ideal for chopping vegetables, nuts, herbs, and more. The sharp blades and powerful motor work together to produce evenly chopped ingredients in seconds, making meal prep faster and more efficient. The 600-milliliter beaker is perfect for measuring and blending small to medium batches of ingredients. The beaker is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your food remains safe and free from harmful chemicals. For coffee enthusiasts, the milk frother attachment is a must-have. This attachment allows you to create rich, frothy milk for your lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolates. The frother works quickly and efficiently, producing cafe-quality results in the comfort of your own home. The egg whisk attachment is perfect for whipping eggs, cream, and batter. Whether you're making a fluffy omelet, a light meringue, or a smooth cake batter, the whisk attachment delivers consistent results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender is its user-friendly design. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use, and the one-click installation system makes it easy to switch between attachments. The blender's lightweight design also ensures that it's easy to maneuver, allowing you to blend, chop, and whisk with precision. Cleaning up after cooking is often the most dreaded part of the process, but the Keylitos blender makes it as easy as possible. All of the attachments are detachable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Simply rinse the attachments under warm water or pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. The motor housing can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth, keeping the blender looking new and ready for your next culinary adventure. Safety is always a priority when working with kitchen appliances, and the Keylitos blender is designed with this in mind. The 360-degree safety lock ensures that the attachments are securely in place during operation, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the blender is equipped with a child safety lock, providing an extra layer of protection in homes with young children. The Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The sleek red and silver design adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, while the durable construction ensures that the blender will withstand the rigors of daily use. The stainless steel body is scratch-resistant, ensuring that it maintains its pristine appearance even after years of use. Despite its powerful performance and versatility, the Keylitos blender is compact and easy to store. The attachments can be neatly organized in a drawer or cabinet, saving valuable counter space in your kitchen. When investing in a kitchen appliance, it's important to choose a brand that stands behind its products. Keylitos offers excellent customer support, ensuring that you have access to assistance whenever you need it. Whether you have questions about using the blender, need help with maintenance, or encounter any issues, Keylitos' customer service team is there to assist you. This commitment to customer satisfaction, combined with the blender's impressive performance and versatility, makes the Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender a smart investment for any home cook. In conclusion, the Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly tool that offers excellent performance across a wide range of kitchen tasks. Its 800 watts motor, 12-speed settings, and durable stainless steel blades ensure that you can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. The 5 different attachments provide the flexibility to blend, chop, whisk, and froth, making this blender an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a novice cook looking to simplify your meal prep or a seasoned chef in need of a reliable, multi-purpose tool, the Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender is an excellent choice. Its sleek design, ease of use, and easy-to-clean attachments make it a pleasure to use, while its powerful performance ensures that you achieve professional-grade results every time. If you're ready to elevate your culinary experience and make cooking more enjoyable, the Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.